Welcome guys, welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So my location today is in St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth is the parish, is a parish in Jamaica and also known for the bread baskets. But this area is Hopewell area. So take a tour with your tour guide Fire Reid and view the beautiful countryside of Hopewell in St. Elizabeth. We all know we have a Hopewell in the Hanover area, but this one is in St. Elizabeth. So take a tour with your tour guide Fire Reid. Also, big up on yourself anyone I watch from, yard and abroad, big up on yourself. Just want to say thank you all for watching this channel. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing, and I really appreciate it. So yeah man, so if you learned something about this area, like, yeah man, I'm talking to you, like up the video, free of cost, and also share the video. Yeah man, share the video. See, this area can get your cooking gas. Now if you blow no hand, you know, blow no hand, because if you don't blow no hand, problem can end up on the road with other road users, can cause accident. And you know we don't want no accident, so we must always obey the road code, take on the time. If you don't know an area so good, just take on the time, no speeding. You can see the road is very narrow, very narrow road. But you know, we Jamaican, we talk about road, some place we don't have no big road, just some small road where one vehicle can drive on, and you have to can hold your own. That's why we have a lot of reckless drivers in Jamaica too, you know. We have some careful drivers in Jamaica. I think for once you can drive in Jamaica, you're supposed to can drive anywhere in the world when you come on to the road size. Because we see some Jamaican navigate through some hills and valley. Take it to safe from where you're going. Yeah man, so big up all the safe, big up all the careful Jamaican driver, and big up on yourself. And also send out a message to all the reckless driver them. Yeah, some taxi man on the road. Me nah bash no taxi man, but it's just reality. Sometimes when you pick up the people them on the road, you know, take on the time and bring the people them safe to them location. I know you all want to make a money to feed your family, but people, just remember, people life came first. So take on the time on the road, taxi man. Please me ask you now. And also the bike riders them, take on the time on the road, because you have some pothole. Speed will not come with. Some of the time you can't manage to turn the handle so fast, so it can cause a problem. See that sign right there that said Hopewell Primary School? If you made the left turn, it could take you all to the Hopewell Primary School, also to Greenfield. Yeah man, I take my time and show you what I go on. Watch out that beautiful house way over there, so some nice house over up on the hillside. Yeah, nothing like the hillside view, you know. Nothing like the hillside view when you have a nice house. From once you have a house and you have a view, big up on yourself. Everybody in their life are going to live for build one big house. So big up all of the people that will have a house. Could be big or small. Big up on yourself. Jamaica now. So when you drive on the countryside again, country or town, look out for stray animal. See a lot of cows in the road. Look out for them cow here. Because if you come with speed and you lick one of them cow here, people not going to own them cow here. You'd be lucky enough for someone to say, "Feel me cow this," I will stand the responsibility. So always look out for them cow here on the road. Stray animal and a hole. Yeah man, so the thing set, you know. So all of the Hopewell people, big up on yourself. If you know that area watching, just leave in the comment section. Some people just want to know the town side of Jamaica. What about the countryside? Everybody can live a town. So we have to look over the country people them too. Don't play so nice like country, you know. They go up on the beach and the river and the countryside. They say you know the beauty of Jamaica. Yeah man. See you have all the bar, you're so full of space. Have a local party, cook out and thing. No disturbance. If you understand what I say. Look at them house here in the countryside. Look at them nice house here. Yeah man, so thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I'm heading towards one place I'm calling Pondside. Also Fort Charles. So big up all of the Pondside people them and the Fort Charles people them. Big up yourself, Marcia. Big up yourself, big up yourself. You also have your mullo, meat, more. See it, so I tell you say, country, all type of business there on the countryside. And a town man alone can do business, so I'm taking country people them too. Some beautiful trucks right here, big units. guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, your #1 tour guide. Yeah man, you see the sign say you have just left Hopewell. Yeah man, so thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.